Hello everyone. On this video I'm going to speak about one of the most important expression in the market. I mean the trend line. As you can see, there is a explanation and description about what is the trend line, and as you can see, for example, in here, let me show it to you on this platform. I mean the trend trading view. As I said before, this is very important to understand what is trend line. I should use the blank part of the chart. Let me, okay, this is, yeah, this is a good area. Trend line means the price, for example, from here, magnitude of the prices from here, this area, start to going up and down, and again going up, and again going down, and again going up. And after that, the behavior of the price is something like this. For example, from this area, let me show you, for example, from this area going to this area. Okay, on this part, understanding that we have some area, some important area. Let me use on this area we have something like, let me change the color. The black is good, yeah. This area, this area, this area. So as you can see, I call it lower low. Okay, this is lower low, and I should use this. And this part is higher high. I will explain what does it mean. Just wait a moment. I put all of these text here. Higher low, and again here, higher high. Let me edit this one and this part. Lower low. Okay, the price start from here. Okay, the price start from here. We call it lower low. After that, the price is going up. We call it higher high, and again make a higher low, and after that higher high, again higher low. I forget it to here. We call it higher low. Okay, on this type we call that the trend is bullish. As you can see, lower low, higher high. When the price start to making the higher low from this part, as you can see, from here to here, this is a higher low, low from here, and higher high, and higher high from this part. As you can see, let me draw something. You can see here, from here, higher low is higher from the higher high. A higher high is higher from this higher high. Okay, and opposite of this definition, we have something, for example, let me from here. I will show you in the chart. Just wait a moment, because I want to draw something for you to understand better. Okay, this area, for example, from this area price start to coming down. I should use the large size, as you can see, and we call it higher high. Okay, and here we call it higher low, and this we call it again, on this part we call it lower high, lower low, and this part lower high. I think it's enough to use this one, lower low. Okay, so on the bearish trend, I mean the price start coming down from a specific price from here to here. As you can see, the price is coming down. This is, we have something like a higher high, and after that price making a and this is the higher low. After that making a lower high from where, from here. As you can see, lower high from here. The price couldn't make a higher high from here. After that price is making the lower low from here, then here, and as you can see, the price start making a lower high from this part. Okay, so let's go on the chart and I will explain you what does it mean. We have something like this one. Okay, let me show you a specific area that is so clear and understandable. Okay, yeah, as you can see, this is the live chart of the Bitcoin. Okay, as you can see, we have an area. I will explain in the next video what is the support and resistance line, but on this part just I want to speak about the trend, because if you can draw and understand the trend of the market, you can trade in anywhere. The price is hit this area. Okay, and this area we call it higher high. After that it is obvious. After that price coming down to here, lower low. Okay, and again here we have something like lower high, and this part again lower high, and this part again lower low. As you can see, price is coming down from here, this area, to this area. As you can see, this area. Okay, price is coming down. This area is higher high, and this area is lower low. Again, the price not able to make a lower high. As you can see, I mean this part. Lower, it makes a lower high. It can't make a higher high from this here. After that, the price again is coming down, lower high from this part, and lower low from this part. totally we call the trend line is bearish. It's coming down. And opposite of this definition, we have something like this. The trend is bullish. So we have some tools that I will explain on the specific and special video what these tools, but just I want to use that this let me say you something. Just the trend, I think the trend line is like good. I will explain just about the trend line, and on the other video I will explain about the all of these tools that is here on the left side. You can click on these tools. Let me delete this trend line to show you. Okay. You can use here the trend line, and I think it's good. Yeah, every time that price hit this trend line, it's going up on the bullish trend. I mean that the price, when the price is going up, every time that the price hit on this line, it's going up. As you can see, for example, on this area, let me show it for you. For example, on this area, and again on this area, every time that the price hit this trend line is going down. At the opposite side, we have something the bearish. For example, price is coming down from here to here. Every time that price hit this area, it's going down. I mean this area, this area, this area. It is very important to understand the trend and the trend line of the market. In every time frame you can check it. It doesn't have any different. For example, yeah, it is good. Let me show it for you. For example, on this area we have something, and we have something like low here. After that price, let me resize. It is so big. Yeah, it's good. The price is going up, higher high. And this area we have something higher low from this area, as you can see, from this area, and price is coming down again and again, going up again and again. Just look on the chart. As you can see, you can for example, you can draw something like a trend line, for example, from here to here. I think it is good. Yeah, every time that price hit this trend line, the price is going up. I will explain on the next video about the resistance and support line that is so important. Just don't forget to subscribe my channel and notice about the newest video.